There's a lot happening with cryptocurrency. I don't even know where to start. I didn't even know whether to name this video news, Bitcoin, BNB, or CoinBase IPO. So I'll be talking about three things. One is CoinBase, which is soon to become open for trading to the general public. So that IPO is being questioned. The value that is estimated is being questioned. Number two, Bitcoin has reached $63,000. So it is also going up. BNB has reached $600. It is also going up. Thinking about BNB, while I was wasting my money with Forsage, it was actually $8. I should have bought more coins while it was $8. Now I'll be talking millions. But then, hey, we learn best when we get ahead. Let's go to my laptop so I can talk about these things. Let's start with Coinbase. So when I check in Yahoo Finance, and also there's other sites which are talking about this IPO. So Coinbase IPO, what does it mean for the crypto markets? Cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase will be conducting its own initial public offering IPO. So now remember, Coinbase is actually one of the top three cryptocurrency exchanges. There's Binance, and then there's Coinbase, and there's also Kraken. So it is one of the top. So let's just check. They're also saying they'll be offering 100 billion. Let's go to this part, which means that the pre-IPO value of the company is likely to be in the region of 100 billion. So there are people, mathematicians, who are questioning this value, saying it is a cooked value, but then, hey, we'll see when it's launched. So it is estimated to be available to the public on Thursday. So we will see. So this is just formal for most companies who would actually want to get a share of this Coinbase. And then they're also saying the shares will be traded between 350 to 375 based on the private NASDAQ auction. So we will see what the value of this Coinbase is going to be. But then I like Coinbase because now it's opening to all of us so that we can buy a share of these of their stake as well. So this is a good one for Coinbase. And I think the reason, because of this announcement, that's the reason why Bitcoin value has gone up in the last 24 hours. So let's look at Bitcoin in CoinGecko. So if you don't know, I use CoinGecko to check. Now it's sitting at $63,000. Guys, this is the highest when you look at Bitcoin. So it continues to soar and go higher and higher. So I must say, to those who've been patient enough and keeping their coins since 2008 and 2010, when Bitcoin was first launched, I must say they are happy. And I know, personally, I know someone who has actually took their money and bought lots and lots and lots of coins when it was around $10,000. So guys, patience does pay off. Let's look at how the coin has been doing in the last 24 hours. So when you check in CoinGecko, you can actually select 24 hours and see how the coin has been going. So let's see, it actually went to 63 around 11 today, and then now it's slowly going down at around 13, which is 1 o'clock. It was on 63,657. So you can see that the coin is going up and it's doing well. And then what do you say about Bitcoin? Do you think it will reach $100,000? I think so. I mean, this is a stable coin, the very first coin that was launched. So I think it will do well. So let's look at the last, let's just say 14 days, because now we're looking at 17. You can see that it's been going down and also taking a dip and also going parabolic now. So it is a good coin to buy. So we are happy for people who have Bitcoin, but is it late for all of us who didn't invest in this coin? I must say, I mean, the coin market cap, which with the limit of 21 million circulation supply, I mean, we're already sitting at 18,681,000. So guys, 21 million, I don't think we are early, we are late. So what can you do if you do want to maybe buy a fraction of this coin? You can buy a fraction of this coin. I mean, I heard there's people who doesn't know that you can actually buy a fraction of a coin. So you can buy something so that when it gets to $100,000, you benefit the most, because you will benefit something. But then there are other coins which are still cheap, which are still affordable, which you can buy and also enjoy the rewards of growing with that coin. Coins like Pancake, which is also part of Binance blockchain. Something big that happened, which I also didn't talk about in my introduction, Apparently India, guys, I feel sorry for everyone who's in India. So India is proposing a law that will ban cryptocurrencies. That's shame. I feel sorry for everyone who's in India, because I mean, we are going to benefit from cryptocurrency. And now if the country is actually banning cryptocurrencies, and I feel sorry for everyone. India will propose a law banning cryptocurrencies, finding anyone trading in country or even holding such a digital asset. A senior government official told Reuters, guys, I'm sorry, India, and I know you won't be benefiting from this. And now the famous child, BNB. Let's look at BNB. You won't believe when I tell you that I lost money on Forsage while wasting money trying to do this network business. I should have bought BNB. So now let's look at BNB, and also a joke on something that I didn't know. So when I first saw BNB, this was last year while I was studying with this cryptocurrency and didn't know much. I thought it's BNB bread and breakfast, but now I know it's a Binance coin. So what is BNB? It's actually a coin that is used to pay fees and also to trade other coins. So it is done in Binance, but Binance is also one of the top 3 currency exchanges. So it's actually owned by them. So let's look at BNB and see how it's doing. And like I said, 2020, March, April, I was busy with Forsage, and this coin was $8. And check now how much this coin is. So it is actually growing and growing, and it is now number 3 on CoinGecko. So let's look at how it's been growing. The last 24 hours, it is actually slowing down because I think it reached 610. Check, it's all-time high. It's 610. Guys, that's good. So imagine if I just bought just 100 coins. Imagine how much money I would have. So obviously, guys, I'll take my calculator to calculate this. So imagine if I bought 100 of these coins. Now I'll have $60,000. In rands, let me take it to rands and cry even more. I'll be around 960,000 rand if I just bought 100. So guys, yeah, we need to learn. I mean, we're learning fast. So with a coin market cap of 85 billion, so it is also doing well. So now the price now it's $552. And then let's look in the last 24 hours how this coin is doing. So it went up on 600, and this is the highest point, 605, and then I think it was 610 at some point, and now it is on 500. And let's look at the last 90 days. And I want to show you guys, this coin is actually a good coin, and it is stable because remember, BNB was first launched in Ethereum blockchain, but because I don't know if it's because of the fees, the gas fees that are happening in Ethereum blockchain or other reasons, they actually went to their own blockchain, which is BNB, Binance blockchain. So now, guys, the fees are better. They're not like the Ethereum blockchain ones. And this coin, I think it is a good coin. And there's a lot of projects that have been done on Binance. So it is a stable company. I mean, think about it. It is one of the top 3 crypto exchanges. So it does usually exchange with CoinBase and Binance. So guys, Binance, it is actually number 1. So I think there is a steady coin. We can also invest on this. But do remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing what I learn and what I hear from people as well, and also do my research as well. So let's look at this coin 2020 March, so you can see what I'm saying when I said I was stupid and didn't buy this coin on March. So 2020 March, this is the coin, the value of this coin. So let's look. As you can see, somewhere in March, the coin went to $9. But then the coin at some point 2020, it was actually $8. So those who bought BNB, patience, guys, patience, they're actually benefiting. That's it, guys, for this video. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope you'll make the right decision for you, whether to buy BNB, whether to buy a fraction of Bitcoin. But this is my views on this one. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe so that more people can see this video. And as I grow, and it is good for the algorithm. Thank you so much for subscribing as well, for those who subscribe.